Hey friends, so today I was going to show you guys on the unboxing of receiving the Mirage Dress. Also, I'm going to show you how to properly put on this handmade, beautiful statement piece. So just stay tuned and thanks for watching. Now, who am I? I am Toy Toy herself. It's nice to meet you. I am a 33-year-old married woman with 2 children. I've always been plus size, you know. I like my curves. I'll let you see more. But the whole point of Toy Toy's Waistland was to make sure that you feel good in whatever you wear. Sometimes your weight fluctuates. Like, I know with me, I had 2 kids. You know, I'm top heavy, but sometimes, you know, my waist might get a little big and then my waist might get a little small. And chain belts are cute, but they usually only have them for the skinny girls. So that's never fun. One size fits all, I think not. But for me, yes it is. So, let's get started. When you receive the Mirage Dress, you will receive it in this packaging. Hi girl. I'm happy I got it. I got it. Okay. So boom. Let's do it. So boom, you get it. Let's open up what you got. Oh, what's that? What's in it? This is your box. This is your box to keep your belts in. You know, and if you don't want to keep your box up or if you don't have space for your box, I got something for you to show you how to just tuck it away for later. Excuse me. So here's my box. Just a little box. Because my belts fit plus size girls, so we need plus size things, baby. And note, even if you are not plus size, you can still wear my stuff. I cater to tall women. I am 5'10" and a half. I'm not going to disclose how much I weigh. I'm just a thick'em schnickums. But needless to say, I'm tall. And I'm going to show you, you know what, if you think you might go to order from somewhere else, what you gonna get versus what I got. Oops, I'm babbling and I unwrapped it without even showing you. So anyway, let me just keep on babbling about it while I tie back up. Anyway, a lot of the items that I choose, you know, are from me. I kind of design them. I do design them. And I ensure that the quality is great. So, let's get started on the unboxing. Okay. So anyway, box is tied. Let's untie it. Untie it. Don't worry about that real cup. I mean, like, what's in that cup? Don't worry about it. Anyway. This is what you get. You receive inside your box is my business card. You know, now you're Toy Toy wasted. And the Toy Toy belt bag. Look at that. Oh, it feels so good. It's so soft. Please excuse my nails, you guys. You know, I'm busy. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom right now. I'm multitasking, you know. Next time you see me, they'll be done. So let's show you what it looks like when you get it out the bag. Now this hanger I love because you can use this hanger with anything. Excuse me, let me get a chair. You can use this hanger with anything. Doesn't necessarily have to be for this dress. And what makes this hanger so unique is because it is foldable. So boom, ooh, what do you got? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna throw that bag over there. Okay, so you're like, Toy Toy, what's up with this? This is what's up with this. Boom. So I'm gonna place that over there because I have to really explain to you guys how to put this on. And then boom. So, I thought it was back for a second. As you can see, the belt, Toy Toy Waistland, a hanger. It is foldable, so you can take it with you anywhere that you want to. Vacay ready. We vacay ready. So, disclosure is that this is handmade. So please, 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 take your time. And let me show you a little snippet of how it looks. Oh, I should put it on a mannequin, right? I don't have my bigger mannequin up here. I just got the skinny girl. She kind of, her bra is not appropriate. Anyway, I'm still gonna show you. So there will be a latch right here. Let me show you this latch. Now, you know, yes, it's small. I understand it may be small for you, but you understand that this is like jewelry. Let's take a look at this necklace I have on right here. This clasp is fairly small, but I'm wearing it. I made it happen. So let's not get discouraged, ladies. Let's not get discouraged. Anywho, so my best advice on how to put it on is